Joe Kavanagh, you just learned how to increase your sales up to 49%. You are an amazing business owner and entrepreneur. And you take all of your learnings and integrate them. Was there ever a time that you didn't even take any continuing education or use anything like that because you knew it all as a real estate agent?
Absolutely. I thought I knew better than everybody else. And I didn't want to give my money away to somebody in case I didn't learn something.
So you had that fear of spending money instead of it being a return on investment on how you could make more money and add more value to your clients?
Yeah, absolutely. I'd never looked at it as an investment with an ROI. I just looked at, oh God, there goes another $1,000 and there's another $1,500. And what do I get out of it? One day of listening to somebody. That was my mindset.
And how did your mindset change over the years? And how did your bottom line change?
I'll tell you what started it was starting to hang around with successful people that were more successful than me and kept hearing that's what they did. They invested in themselves. And I finally started to do that to see what would happen, to test it out. And it was the best decision I ever made, to be honest.
Most of your training that you've taken recently was how to close sales in less time in communication and connection and building relationship training, yes?
Yes.
And you increased your sales from, what was the percentage to the percentage?
My closing ratio went from 37% all the way up to 86%.
As
And
a
I
real
did
estate
that
broker.
as a real estate agent, a broker, yes. And I did that in less than a year. It was actually over about 8 or 9 months. So
Oh my God.
I know.
Now, go ahead.
Yeah, no, I was more surprised than anybody because I wasn't a person to track data. I just kept going out and doing my job. And if I didn't get one day, I'd be flustered and say, geez, how did I not get that listing? And then I'd get one and I'd say, yeah, I got it. I'm back on track. But not knowing what I was doing prior and after investing in myself, I knew exactly what I was doing. That's how I was able to correct my course and pinpoint it pretty much every time.
Yeah, and rumor has it that the following year, after increasing your sales, I think that's 49%. Somebody can check my math, 49%. You then went on the following year. What happened?
Yeah, I actually, the training we took, especially through bank, said you can close more sales in less time. And I wanted to diversify and start out working on my coaching and mentoring business and take less time at real estate. So I put it to the test. I purposely worked half the time the following year. And not only did I sell the same volume of real estate, I actually sold more by $500,000.
Nice. So my name is Jeanne Zerhofer, and this is Joe Kavanagh. You want to learn more about what Joe did and the training Joe took to increase his sales 49%, work less, make more, then click the link below and we're going to see you on the other side. Hang with successful people, become successful. It is a return on investment. If you think about it as spending money, move on. It's a return on investment in yourself and adding more value to the people that you serve. Make it a great day. Bye for now.